Interior design is always evolving, and 2026 is shaping up to be an exciting year for home decor. From bold textures to innovative layouts, the trends promise to transform your living spaces. Welcome to 2026 Interior Design Trends with Rug Dubai, where we explore the must-have design elements for the upcoming year and how rugs can elevate every room. For the latest collections and statement pieces, visit rugdubai.com. 1. Earthy tones and organic textures. 2026 is all about grounding your home in nature. Warm earthy hues, terracotta, and clay tones combined with natural materials like wood, jute, and stone create inviting spaces. Layering rugs with natural textures enhances the tactile feel and brings warmth and sophistication to any room. 2. Statement rugs as art pieces. Rugs are no longer just functional. They are art. Bold patterns, abstract designs, and vibrant colors can become focal points in living rooms, bedrooms, and dining areas. A statement rug instantly elevates the decor and ties together furniture, lighting, and accessories. 3. Minimalist luxury. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and subtle color palettes define minimalist luxury. Layering a neutral rug adds depth without overwhelming the room. In 2026, the trend leans toward quality over quantity, focusing on materials, finishes, and textures for a serene and sophisticated environment. 4. Mixed materials and textures. Expect a blend of textures and finishes. Velvet sofas paired with sleek metal accents, wooden coffee tables with glass elements, and layered rugs combining wool, silk, and synthetic blends. The contrast adds depth and visual interest, making interiors feel dynamic yet cohesive. 5. Functional and sustainable design. Eco-conscious choices continue to dominate in 2026. Sustainable materials, energy-efficient lighting, and reusable decor elements are essential. Rugs made from natural fibers like wool, jute, or recycled materials provide eco-friendly solutions that are stylish and long-lasting. 6. Bold color accents. While neutral palettes dominate, bold accent colors are used strategically to energize spaces. Vibrant cushions, artwork, or an eye-catching rug can create focal points and add personality to otherwise calm interiors. 7. Curved furniture and organic shapes. Curved sofas, rounded chairs, and oval tables are trending, creating a sense of softness and fluidity. Pairing these with circular or oval rugs enhances the natural flow and makes spaces feel inviting and modern. 8. Layered lighting. In 2026, lighting is multidimensional. Ambient, task, and accent lighting work together to highlight design features. Placing rugs strategically can help define zones where lighting interacts with textures, enhancing the overall aesthetic. 9. Personalization and custom designs. Homes are increasingly personalized with bespoke furniture, custom color schemes, and made-to-order rugs. Choosing unique pieces from rugdubai.com allows homeowners to reflect individuality while staying on trend. 10. Smart integration. Technology continues to influence interior design. Smart home systems, adjustable lighting, and modular furniture integrate seamlessly with luxurious decor. A well-placed rug complements these modern elements while keeping the space cozy and inviting. 2026 interior design is all about balance, blending functionality, sustainability, and aesthetics. Rugs play a pivotal role in defining spaces, adding warmth, and showcasing personal style. Explore the latest collections and design inspiration at rugdubai.com to make your home trend ready for the year ahead.